Hello student, how are you? Okay, now we will after the short break, right? Now firstly open ESCW. Now this is your second term and you have to write in the CW. So firstly whatever is the first term you have to keep aside and fold the one page for the second term. You know every time we do, right? Now first fold your page, fold with me. Okay, when I speak, then after you have to fold. Now do the heading second term, right? Then write down the today's date and day also. Every time whatever PDF is come to with us, you write the date and day, right? If it is one day left, then you immediately understand which date I have not written. So every time it is better to write the date and day, right? Now write the second term, our chapter 13, a reverse journey. We know up to I think 6 lesson or 5 lesson we have to finish for the first term, and this is our second term. Firstly we finish our second term lesson, and then after if time is left, then I send you the another whatever portion is left. Okay, now a reverse journey. I already explained you how the rivers pollute so many things. When the river is origin, the water is very clean. Trees also found near there. Whenever the river passes through the village and factories, the river become polluted, right? And we can't drink such type of the polluted water, and we see the so many reasons for the polluted water. Factories release cattle bath and drinking, wash of the utensil, cleaning the clothes, so many things the river makes the pollute. And we see the different method how to purify the drinkable water, how to purify, boiling method, steaming method, sanitation method, decantation method, right? We have to use the allium, we pour the chlorine tablets, so many things, the different way we have to clean the purify the water. And in our home some has the aquaguard purifier, right? And which that in the village the aquaguard is not there, they are putting the boiling and alum, so many things they use for the cleaning the water, right? And you have to write in the CW hard words, right? Each and every exercise you have to write with the new page. If some page is left, space is there, but you don't write, right? Okay, now hard words. This is the new hard words, so you have to speak with me three times. Okay, first number, carefully, 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 fully, carefully. Now second number, aquatic plant, AQUATIC PLANTS, plants, AQUATIC PLANTS, plants, AQUATIC PLANTS, plants, aquatic plants. Reason, third number, reason, 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 reason. Fourth number, DRINKABLE, 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 drinkable. Five number, STREAM, 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 stream. Five number, PUR, POSE, purpose, PUR, fuel harmful. 15 number purify 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 purify. 16 number similar 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 similar. 17 number certain 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 certain. Okay student, you have to revise and learn all the hard words because now you don't come to school, so that time you have to do the reading practice. It is the must. If reading is not, you can't perfectly read the lesson, then you can't write. So every day 5 or 10 minutes you do the reading. ES lesson, English lesson, whatever, GK lesson, you have to do the reading practice and you have to learn the hard words also. If you learn the hard words, then and then only you have to capable to read the lesson. Okay, so firstly you have to do the oral and then after you learn the hard words. Okay, now classify into dissolve in water and do not dissolve in water. The things which dissolve in water. Earlier video I see the things practical also. Some we put the salt and it is the totally dissolved. Then after turmeric it is not dissolved. Then after dissolve but change color change is there. Then after we put the S, right? So many things we have taken and do the practical. So here dissolve in water and not dissolve in water. So sugar. So sugar, when you put the sugar in the water, it is the dissolve, right? It is the dissolve means घुल मिल जाना, completely dissolve. उसके अंदर वाटर है ऐसा पता ही नहीं चलेगा, तो उसको बोलते हैं डिजॉल्व. तो शुगर जब डालते हैं तो बिल्कुल पानी के अंदर घुल मिल जाता है, राइट? देन आफ्टर सॉल्ट, सॉल्ट डालोगे तो डिजॉल्व और नॉट डिजॉल्व, इट इज ऑल्सो डिजॉल्व सॉल्ट, राइट? देन लेमन जूस, इफ वी मेक द लेमन जूस then it also dissolve in water, right? Then turmeric also dissolve. Turmeric here I clarify you, turmeric is the powder. अगर टर्मरिक हार्ड है, सॉलिड है तो वो डिसॉल्व नहीं होगा, है ना? तो ये टर्मरिक पाउडर है. तो यहाँ पे लिख देती हूँ टर्मरिक पाउडर. ओके, then here you write the turmeric powder. Okay, now soap water is also, soap is also dissolved in water, right? Okay, now flour, that means the atta. You have to do put the flour in the water, it is not dissolved, right? Dal is also not dissolved in water. And sarbat is dissolved in water. You drink sarbat, है ना? It is the dissolved in water. You take some sarbat portion and then after add the water, it is dissolved, right? Now cooking soda is also dissolved. Have you seen cooking soda, student? If you not seen cooking soda, then say to your mother, so the cooking soda. जब हम खमन बनाते हैं, ढोकला बनाते हैं तो मम्मी अंदर सोडा डालती है ना? तो अगर नहीं देखा है तो मम्मी को बोलना कि मम्मी कुकिंग सोडा दिखाओ, वो वाइट कलर का आता है ना? तो कुकिंग सोडा डिसॉल्व इन वाटर. देन ऑयल, ऑयल इज नॉट डिजॉल्व इन वाटर। ऑयल जो होता है वो पानी के अंदर बिल्कुल फ्लोट करता है, वो पानी के अंदर घुल मिल जाता नहीं है। ओके, ये दोनों दूसरा भी एक प्रैक्टिकल है, वो मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको दोनों एक साथ में दिखाऊंगी। ओके चिल्ड्रन, बाय।